Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hello.
From downtown Disney.
A windy downtown Disney.
A very windy downtown Disney.
I feel like I'm gonna blow away.
The Santa Ana winds came out today and they said, wind!
Wind with a heart.
But we're here at downtown Disney because they opened that stage 17.
Yeah, Backlot Express.
Which we haven't done yet. Plus, holiday merch is out, even though it's not Halloween yet. Oh, there's the wind. Oh!
Do you guys hear it?
This is fun, though. I feel like it's a hurricane, but no rain. But yeah, Christmas holiday merch is out, even though it's not Halloween yet. So I guess we can check that out. And hopefully not blow away.
Yeah, truly.
You wanna know how windy it is? Look at all the leaves on the floor that have been blown off from all the trees.
It's like those wiggly things in car dealer shops. Like
oh, the inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Yeah.
It is really not that busy in downtown Disney though. There is no line for World of Disney. Maybe because it's a Monday, maybe because it's the wind, but here it is, the Disneyland Backlot Premiere Shop, Stage 17. Is that's in DCA, right?
Yeah.
Do we have to walk through DCA?
No.
Oh.
Backstage.
Sad. Look at these trees. This is wild. We have to walk backwards because the dust is getting in our eyes.
It's nearly impossible.
Okay, we did it. You good?
No.
I feel like we're trudging to stage 17.
That was the worst day to come.
Yeah,
but also the best.
But no one's here,
But
so
no one's here,
it's
so
great.
It's good.
We're going in. I don't know what to expect, but
here we go.
It says enter. I feel like we're going to DCA.
We're gonna see new posters.
Oh.
Look at that. Well, not that.
This is
but like over there.
The backlot. Technically, we are in DCA.
Yeah, technically we're backstage.
Look at these new posters. We got Soul, Mandalorian, Black Widow. Excited for all of them. Very exciting. Oh, this is like an event. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize.
Hello?
We made it. There's lots of things in here.
They don't have the large, he was right.
What are these?
So this is from the, what's it called? Wishes Come True Blue Color Collection. And everything is for Make-A-Wish.
They're all the Make-A-Wish collection. Which is very cute.
They're cute. Look at the map.
Ooh, it's very Sorcerer Mickey.
The sweater. And they're obviously what everyone wants.
Spirit jersey! And a portion goes to Make-A-Wish?
Yes, that's what I did.
Amazing. Oh, I like the kid version.
I like the kid version much better too.
Because it has Mickey on it. I can fit in like a kid's XL. I love that they have all the Halloween merch here and then Christmas over there. Dueling holidays. We all know the better one though. You want it?
Yes, look, it just looks so big and comfortable. Like I would wear this
It's like
day.
a zip up ugly Christmas sweater.
I would like to, oh, it has, this is Disneyland in the back. I would touch it, but I just don't want to.
Yeah. It's like a spirit jersey.
That's so cute.
But ugly Christmas sweater material. Knitted.
Oh, look at the packets!
Oh, there's packets.
I
Cute.
want it. I got it.
Get it.
It's just $120.
How much?
That's like almost 2 spirit jerseys.
120?
120.
Alright, let's get 3.
Okay.
Here's a closer look at the back of that sweater. Disney really said Happy Halloween and Merry Christmas. Christmas merch. Christmas merch. So much Christmas merch. They also have some new Haunted Mansion merch. I like this canvas art. And then they also brought the Madame Leota sippers over. They were originally just at Magic Kingdom. And now you can get them here. I also love this miniature replica of the clock from Haunted Mansion. So cool. So I'm really not up to date on my Disney merch, so I'm not sure if this Jungle Cruise merch is new or not, but I really like it. Especially this 65 years shirt and this hat. It's pretty cool. I guess I didn't even realize they were doing a full Jungle Cruise merch line because it was an opening day attraction. 65 years. There's also some Jungle Cruise wishables. I want to see. I don't want to touch it. What do we got? A tiger, a skipper, a hippo. There's probably another one over there, but I don't want to touch it. Oh, it's a boat. That's fun. I kind of want the boat. They got a Baby Yoda shoulder plush now.
Put it on your shoulder.
Hello?
Yes.
I turn around and then there's like 3 things in your hand.
Yeah, and what about it?
Got some face masks. I'm gonna be real honest. I don't love Disney's face masks.
I do.
I don't like how ribbed they are, and I don't like how square they are.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you guys know I don't love Christmas, but these Chip and Dale nutcrackers are pretty cute.
I like Dale's a lot more. He looks more festive.
I mean, I would never. Have you ever cracked nuts before? I've never actually used a nutcracker. Gotta get our sandies. Alright, I gotta do the other one. Alright, we conquered the...
We conquered? That was conquering?
Backlot premiere shop. I walked out free.
Girl, I am a victim of everything Disney merchandise.
You are. Now we have to go back into the wind.
That's fine.
Okay, so the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire sign is still up here.
Who wants to play me?
Play it! It's like bop it. Bop it! Twist it! Play it! Back outside in the Santa Ana winds.
It's okay.
It's actually fine right now. I'm just waiting for a big gust to come and
like
blow us away. Hi Disneyland. I miss you.
Dream a dream.
Oh. We came into World of Disney because there was no line and it's Christmased out already. Ooh, the floor's slippery. They have a lot of the same merch in here.
There's less Christmas stuff in here.
Less Christmas. So all the Christmas stuff isn't...
stuff are in Backlot.
Okay, but if you're looking for the Make-A-Wish collection, you can get it at World of Disney. Bam. But they do have a little bit of a Christmas section. They got 2 little rows. World of Disney has the new Loungefly peppermint candy cane bag that the other store... Because it has a peppermint.
Okay. Sure.
Is that not a peppermint?
Yeah, make your guesses.
Peppermint candy cane.
Make your educated guesses.
But the Backlot store didn't, so I guess you're just gonna have to visit both because they have different merch and same merch. I don't know what classifies each, so go to both. Again, Halloween, Christmas, Halloween, Christmas.
It's a nightmare before Christmas.
Halloween,
Oh God, you're
Christmas. I know for a fact these are new though. The new Beauty and the Beast wishables. Obviously you can get Beast right here. And I will try to see what you can get back here. We have Wardrobe, Cogsworth, and then Belle and Lumiere. And then more freaking Garland.
I like this one. I can do without Christmas.
But that's about it for World of Disney. Nothing too crazy.
Nothing too new.
Do you want to show them what you got at Backlot?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright,
Backlot Haul.
Backlot Haul. We got the Holiday Spirit jersey.
Ooh, okay.
So cute.
Green plaid, we love it.
This is for my mom, by the way.
For the mom, we love it. Oh, Santa Ana wins.
I think this one's the best one.
Another. Ooh, we got a.
Yeah, it's like a cardigan. But like it has fleece, so soft, and it has like a.
What is the design? Oh, that is cute.
That's the haul today.
That's it.
Easy peasy.
We did it. Also, we lost a casualty. The void at Downtown Disney is no more.
It's just the void.
It's a void. We vote to change it to a Spirit Halloween year round, but that's just our vote. We're gonna check out the Star Wars trading post. It's
there's no name.
Oh, no name. It's blocked out. Don't look at it. We haven't been in here yet. It's really not new, but
It kind of is for us though.
yeah,
I feel like 'cause we haven't been in.
we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So basically, all the merch you would find in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is in here because obviously you can't go to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
I just want a Rontour. Can you sell Rontour?
Honestly,
Can you imagine if they did?
that would be great. But they have all the pet store stuff. They got some baby Yodas. Fun stuff. I do want to kind of buy the Jedi robe vest because I already have the Sith black robe and the Sith black belt. I just need the Sith vest, which I'll get it eventually, but I need to get it. If you feel so inclined, you can also pick up your Kyber crystals and holocrons here. If you find a black Kyber crystal, good job.
I want the yellow one.
Okay. And then behind the counter, you can get your lightsabers with the hilts and then the blades. You can't build it yourself, but they have the replica ones. So yeah, Star Wars Trading Post. It's a very small store. I think they only let like 8 people in at a time. But it's sad seeing that and not being in Galaxy's Edge.
Well, Star Wars music is playing.
That's Indiana Jones.
Oh crap! Big fan.
Anyway, that is our little downtown Disney adventure. There's not really much. We did the backlot, so great success. Also, before you go, I just want to let you guys know that I put out my very first shirt. It is spooky themed. It's Normalize Summoning Spirits. If you would like to get one, wear it on your body. I have a very limited stock. I honestly don't know how much is left, but if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and we will see y'all later. Bye! Also, I forgot to mention that the shirt glows in the dark too, so spooky shirts glow in the dark. Come on.